A very good day to our lecturer, Dr. Sophian Roseby, our product design and development lecturer. My name is Yukesh Kumar, metric number 191221708. As the introduction, I would like to introduce our organizational chart. Firstly, our managing director and the person who delegates the work is Wan Nur Atira binti Wan Idris. Our project manager is Y Kaisin, who manages the day-to-day activities of the project. Our production manager is Wan Nur Ifa Najiha binti Wan Azman, whom is responsible for many tasks such as OSHA and EPA compliance. The human resource manager, which is me, Yukesh Kumar, I am in charge of the HRM activities within the company such as staffing and compensation. Finally, our engineering manager is Zulfikri bin Zaidi, in charge of designing and production of the product. Our team has taken up the project to design and develop a hair straightener. Let's talk about product planning. The product planning is where the idea is implemented and being put into action. Product planning is a process which includes 5 steps. These 5 steps are: identify opportunities, evaluate and prioritize projects, allocate resources and plan timing, complete pre-project planning and product development process. All of these steps were included in the Palace Hair Straightener. The planning process of Palace Hair Straightener also takes into account marketing ideas, research, consumer feedback, product development teams, and analysis of rival's advantage. Customer needs are the criteria that a customer is looking for in a product. By using benchmarking, we can easily sort out all the important customer needs. The customer needs of Palace Hair Straightener include: design looks luxurious, cordless, easy to hold and use, affordable straightener, best travel flat iron with storage bag, lightweight and suitable for all hair types. Moving on to the mission statement. The mission statement is used to help bring the concept of a new product development to life. The mission statements include product description, beneficial proposition, primary market, secondary market, assumption and constraints, stakeholders and competitors. The customer statements are normal comments and feedbacks given by customers about the products. Some of the comments that were given about the Palace Hair Straightener are: the product is of reasonable price, it is lightweight, and gives lasting straightness to the hair.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Nur Atira binti Wan Idris. My metric number is 191222467. Next, the product specification. The weight of this hair straightener is only 350 grams, which is very suitable for user to use for a long time and does not cause the user's hand to feel sluggish. Coupled with the use of ceramic plates, whereas ceramic hair straightener are great for smoothing out hair and reducing frizz. The best thing of this product is its power, where the power used by the Palace Hair Straightener is around 150 watt at a relatively low rate to maintain the ecosystem and reduce electricity consumption. Therefore, the temperature of this hair straightener can reach up to 210 degrees Celsius. To avoid any accident and to save electricity consumption, this hair straightener will auto shut off if used within 1 hour without stopping. Last but not least, the time taken for this hair straightener to heat is only 50 seconds, and this product has a warranty cover up to 2 years. Next, the house of quality of Palace Hair Straightener. Here we can see from the left, there are 5 most influential aspects of customer specification with engineering specification. Among them is the desire of customer who want an easy to handle and the lightweight, which is very related to the weight of this product with an important rate of 5. Then the cordless hair straightener is important, although most hair straightener do not yet have this feature. Not all customers have the same hair type, so this Palace Hair Straightener is very suitable for all hair types, and it is very related to the temperature setting, and it is a fast heat time, which is in 50 seconds. Then there are two-way relationship between customer specification and engineering specification, such as best travel flat iron with storage bag not relate with the cord length. And the second, the hair straightener suitable for all hair type, not relate with the power of the product. So here, they got only one rate because of do not have a relationship between customer specification and engineering specification. Then we look at the top of the roof of this house of quality, where it point to some engineering specification features that are relevant and unrelated to other features. There are 3 positive relationships and 2 negative relationships. The first positive relationship is weight with plate. This is because the plates used by Payless hair straightener use ceramic material that affect the weight of this product. Second, the positive relationship between temperature, rating and auto shut off. This feature was created because to save electricity consumption and maintaining the ecosystem. Then the last positive is the relationship between power and fast heat time. If the user turn on this product in less than 50 seconds, this Payless hair straightener is ready for use with a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. Next, if we look at the right part, the comparative assessment is the same as the benchmark on customer needs, where it differentiates the characteristic of customer needs for each competitors, which is Dyson, Philips and Khmer. So the most important feature of customer needs for Payless hair straightener is there are 3 which are easy to hold and use, lightweight, and the last is this Payless must be suitable for all hair types. There are also the most important feature of Payless hair straightener that are the same as its competitors, such as easy to hold, suitable for all hair types. This feature is one of the most important desire for every user of any hair straightener.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Y Kai Sin, and my matrix number is 191221700. So I will continue with the conceptual design part. For getting and manufacturing a perfect Payless hair straightener, our team has worked together in this conceptual design part, which includes the concept generation and also concept selection. First is during this concept generation, our team has successfully developed and generated some concepts for the Payless hair straightener plates, which are Concept A, Aluminium plate, Concept B, Ceramic plate, Concept C, Tourmaline plate, Concept D, Teflon plate, Concept E, Silicone plate, and also Concept F, Titanium plate. We also carry out for the concept generation process. Step 1. Clarify the problem. In this step, our Payless hair straightener team should have the sufficient information and also basic of the knowledge so that they can easier to clarify and also analyze the correct key problems. Step 2. Search for the external and internal solutions. For the externally search, we could get the existing solution that has implemented before, or we also can utilize the existing solutions for getting the new and better solutions to solve the problems. For the internally search, we will use brainstorming, mind mapping, the related graphical as well as physical media, and so on for getting more solutions. Step 3. Explore systematically. After obtaining a wide range of different solutions and ideas, our team has to evaluate the solutions and ideas and do not left out any solution easily, as it may become the most suitable and beneficial solution for the Payless hair straightener. Step 4. Reflect on the solution and the process. The concept generation is actually a cyclical process as there are no ending, and when any new information and solutions enters each of the stage, the team have to research and explore again for getting the better result of the product. Next, we also have carried out the concept selection by using concept screening and also concept scoring. For the concept screening, we will compare the concept with the prototypes only using the plus sign, zero sign, and also minus sign. The plus sign represents to most related, zero sign represents to average, while the minus sign represents to difficult. According to the net score of the concept screening table, the Concept A, Aluminium plate, Concept B, Ceramic plate, and also Concept F, Titanium plate are the most 3 potential concepts for the Payless hair straightener plate, as their net score is the most higher, which is 3, 5, and 2 respectively. These 3 concepts will be brought to the concept scoring step for choosing the most suitable concept. Last, the concept scoring, which is the improved and more detailed analysis, will be carried out for choosing the most suitable concept for the hair straightener plate. For getting the result, the scores will be multiplied by the rating of each criterion, and then the weight score for each criterion are obtained. Hence, the weight score for each concept will be summed up. According to the scoring table, we have decided to develop the concept variant B, which is the Ceramic plate, as it obtains the highest score 3.45, which also meets the criteria mostly. That's all for the conceptual design part. Thank you.
My name is Wanur Ifana Jihawan Azman, metric number 191221702. I'll be presenting concept testing of Palisade straightening. Concept testing is a quality check between the description of an idea and actual product development. There are a variety of approaches available for concept testing. All methods involve a group of potential consumers reacting to one or more concept statements in which each concept is presented with specific focus on consumer needs or benefits. Our group has conducted a survey on purchase intent of Palisade straightening to identify the market potential of the product. The survey was conducted online using Google Form as the main medium to collect the data for the purpose of improving the original concept of Palisade straightening. This is to ensure that the product will provide maximum benefits to the customers with its unique innovation.
The survey is divided into 3 sections, namely Section A, Section B, and Section C. Section A was designed to study the demography of consumers with questions such as gender, age, occupation, and monthly income. Section B focused on the preference of the consumers with questions that was designed to identify the interests of the respondents in beauty and fashion industry. Section C was designed with the questions that were specific to the Palisade straightening to get a feedback on the concept design of Palisade straightening to further improve and innovate the products according to the customer's preferences. From the survey, it can be seen that 65% respondents are female around the age of 15 to 24, whom are students with monthly income started from RM0 to RM2,499. In Section B, it can be seen that 95% respondents love to travel, 94.9% think that self-image is important, 85% of respondents like to have their hair in style, 82.5% need help to improve the texture of the hair, 82.1% want to have a home-feel salon, 52.5% of the respondents own a hair straightening that give them side effects such as hair falls, hair damage, lack of hair growth, dryness, and allergy. Out of 40 respondents, there are only 10 respondents whom are highly satisfied with the current hair straightening. Section C portrayed the need of Palisade straightening with innovations such as luxury designs, coatless, easy to hold and use, lightweight and affordable in price. 67.5% of respondents are interested to own Palisade straightening with price below than RM150. The survey that has previously conducted helped us to estimate the concept's market potential, eliminate poor concepts, identifying the value of concept features, identify the highest potential customer segments, generate an estimate of sales or trial rate, and providing diagnostic information.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulfikri bin Zaidi. My metric number is 191221710. This design was made to fulfill our customer needs and their wants. We received data from their feedback and the analysis that we made on their behavior on buying the product. From the design that we made, it showed all the criteria and the needs of our customer all included in the design. Besides that, we decide to produce the cordless hair straightener because our competitors already produce it, so we need to adapt with the changes that happen in the market. If we doesn't do that, we can compete with the other competitors that have changed their innovation and their technology. So we need also change our innovation and technology to make the customer keep intact with our product. As for the conclusion, we have to improve the quality of our product based on the assessment and the data that we got from our customer feedback. So the design that we made actually the solution for our problem that we face. We believe that this design will attract more customers to buy our product as the design actually look luxurious. The use of ceramic plate is a differentiation of our product with our competitors. With the ceramic plate, we can reach the needed heat to use the hair straightener in a short time. Besides that, the use of ceramic plate can reduce the damage to the hair. We realize that all people have a different type of hair, which is some has straight hair and some have curly hair. So the design is suitable for all type of hair, which is we can use for the straight hair and for curly hair. It's all from me. Thank you.